Alright, so you've got your MD5. Now let's go and see if we can find the salt. So we're just going to do a quick search for lockscreen.password_salt in the text fields. Looks like we found it. So the first thing we want to do is we want to check the size of that actual salt. So again, it's the preceding byte prior to lockscreen.password_salt. We're going to convert that into decimal. So hex 33 is 51 decimal. We're going to subtract 13, which is 38, and we're going to divide it by 2. We're doing that because it's a SQLite text field. Okay, so we know that our salt is 19 bytes. Again, this is explained in the presentation. So we just want to select that, and we want to compare it here. You can see that everything matches up with the size. So we're just going to copy this out and put it into our calculator. This is the decimal representation of the salt. We need to convert this over to the hex value. So we can see the hex value here. So we want to copy this out of the calculator, and we're just going to paste this into our hash files that we created earlier. So let's paste it into the after the colon in the actual hash file. Again, we're just changing everything to lowercase, and we're going to save this. Then we'll go back to the image file, and we just want to go through and make sure that there aren't any other salts. Technically, you should only find one instance of the salt. All those values should be the same. You might find multiple copies of it, but the salt should always be the same. But we're just going to verify that. It looks like we are indeed the same on all these instances of the salt. So let's just copy this one out of our hash2 file and then go in and paste it into our other hash file. And again, we'll just paste it after the colon, and then we'll save this file. And now we have 2 hash files that we're ready to run brute force against.